And now the 22 News Storm Team forecast.
Hey, good morning. Time now is 4:48, and we're taking a live look out in Westfield here. We're nice and quiet. You can see the flags blowing right out of the north, nice and light. Also, Greenfield not looking too bad as well. We are going to hold on to a good amount of sun for today. Here's that breeze coming in right out of the north, fairly calm around 5 miles per hour in Springfield. Air temperature 12 in Northampton, 15 in Springfield, 11 is the temperature there in Orange. As we go throughout the rest of the day here, we'll see a lot of sun. Temperatures topping out mostly in the 20s to right around 30 degrees going into this afternoon. We will likely fall back towards the 20s and even some teens as we go through later tonight. So today will be a bright and cold day. High temperatures into the 20s to near 30 degrees. And that is the top of the 22 Storm Team forecast focus. We do have a little wintry mix that comes in for tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and then ending early in the morning hours on Wednesday. I'll talk more about that in just a moment. And then we got a little warm up as we go towards the end of the week. We could see high temperatures around 50 degrees once again. So for the next few days, again, temperatures kind of up and down. Today we're going to be in the 20s to right around 30. 30s out there for the day. Tomorrow around 50 on Wednesday, upper 40s to near 50 on Thursday. So I do expect as the week goes on, we'll gradually get a little warmer. And there is the chance of some snow and rain tomorrow, and then periods of some rain possible by the end of the week. So right now we're nice and dry, and taking a wider view on clouds and radar, much of the region looks good. As we go throughout the rest of the day here, 7 a.m. towards 9 a.m. we'll see a lot of sun. Today's very quiet. 12 o'clock here towards 3 p.m. Not a lot going on. We're nice and dry all the way into the evening. We stay pretty quiet through tonight. So I'll move time here pretty fast to show you tomorrow. Here we are, 6 a.m. on Tuesday. Clouds will be increasing, and then as we go towards around noon, notice a little bit of light snow starts to break out. We're likely to see a period of some light snow early tomorrow afternoon around 3 p.m. Here, still some light snow. But notice as we go towards the evening, some warmer air tries to work in. You get some of this green and pink shading indicating some rain and freezing rain. And that continues as we go into Tuesday night. Likely changing to mostly rain for a lot of us, but in the hills, that's where you might find a little freezing rain that holds on. And we'll continue that into the early morning hours on Wednesday. So in terms of any snowfall tomorrow afternoon, around a coating to maybe an inch or two in some spots, but it'll be quickly washed away by some of that rain and freezing rain that comes in for tomorrow night. Many of us will end up around 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 inch of rain. So this is not going to be a lot of precipitation, but it will be enough that could make some roads slippery tomorrow afternoon a little bit. And then going into tomorrow night and Wednesday morning, roads could be wet or a little icy with some rain and freezing rain. So a wintry mix of kind of everything, again, starting tomorrow afternoon and going into tomorrow night. So 26 to 30 out there, mostly sunny and dry heading through tonight. We're going to fall back into the teens and single digits, so a cold night overall. And for the rest of the 22 Storm Team 7-day forecast tomorrow, we do have that afternoon, evening snow to rain scenario. Likely rain and freezing rain for Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning, but much of Wednesday is quiet and also warmer, high temperature around 50. There is the chance of some rain by the end of the week with temperatures up and down between the 40s and 50s, so there is a little warming trend on the way. And those overnight low temperatures also not too bad, mostly in the 30s. Watching our latest forecast, you could do so by getting the free 22 News mobile app.